I'm Paula O'Reilly, and I am a Managing Director at Accenture. Today we're going to talk about the 3 benefits of cloud to insurers. I'm going to start with a bold statement, and that is that all companies are tech companies. And especially for insurers, all CEOs are tech CEOs. So let's get on with it. A recent Accenture study that divided companies into leaders and laggards. The leaders are the ones that spend money on technology, on digital, and cloud. And what the survey found is the leaders have potentially up to 2 times annual revenue growth opportunity, while the laggards, conversely, have the misfortune of 37% revenue decline on an annual basis. So, what are the benefits of cloud? First, let's talk about growth. Of course, all insurance companies, you want growth. You want more products in the hands of your customers. And cloud facilitates the scalability that leads to growth. But only 10% of current workloads for insurers are in the cloud. That means insurers are missing out on 90% of the potential benefits of the scalability of cloud. That brings us quickly to number 2, speed. You need to get new products into the hands of your customers quickly. As an example of fast cloud enablement, a global top 10 life insurer launched a new digital business with a cloud-based application suite, and they did all of that in less than 8 months with the help of the cloud. Number 3, data. Data has always been important to insurers, but now you have the ability to use that data in a different way as supported by the cloud. For example, claims represent about 75% of insurers' economics, and modern data platforms powered by cloud can transform the claims process, saving time and money as well as leading to an improved customer experience. At Accenture, we are happy to partner with Google, and we look forward to innovating with you in the cloud.